morning, dear Shemstars. Hope all is good at your end. Children, in last video session, we finished our units, 9, 10, 11 and 12 of Spreadsheet Intermediate, Unit 4. And today, we are going to begin with our new topic, and that is digital presentation. In this video, we are going to learn how to insert pictures, how to insert videos, audios, and how to create hyperlink with the help of the action buttons. So let's begin. So today we are going to begin with digital presentation. I hope you already know about the presentations because we have made it already in our junior classes as well. So you know what the PowerPoint is. PowerPoint is a powerful communication tool to present the views and ideas effectively through visual aids. Yes, the user can enhance the appearance by adding 3D clip art, special effects, video clips, audio clips, etc. Children, video clips, if we talk about, adds liveliness to the presentations. Now let's discuss, few things here quickly. First of all, we have to understand that what do we have to learn today. We have Part B, Unit 4, Digital Presentation. In this, we are going to learn Session 1, Inserting a movie clip. Session 2, Inserting an audio clip. Then, how can we create hyperlinks using action buttons? So, first of all, let's find out what's to be done. So, I have added one more thing here, how to insert a picture. Children, you know easily that we can insert a picture here using the Insert tab. So if we go to Insert, and we have so many options here, and here right hand side we have video, we have audio, and we have screen recording as well. You know about screen recording, this can record your whole screen, whatever you are doing. It can record your computer screen and related audio before inserting the recording onto your slide. This is a wonderful option that we have in latest versions. Now coming to pictures. If I have to go to pictures, insert pictures. Now it's going to ask you want to insert picture from this device or online device. Means online. Pictures means from internet or from this device. So right now I want to go to this device because I have to insert a picture from this device only because I have saved few pictures here. So I'm going to pick up one picture and I'm going to insert it into my slide. So I need to find out where the picture is. I think I have it on the desktop. So let me go to the desktop and find out any picture if I have. So I have, let me find out, going to go to all files. Okay, I have a picture here. So I can go to good morning image. I can go to click and insert or double click, it will be inserted here. Now, if we have a picture here, once we get it here, we can insert and we can just, reduce the size of the image if it is big. You can just place it the way you want on the screen. So this is your picture that I have placed here. Fine. Now next, what I have is, I am going to go now about next slide. What I have to do is, okay, so we have next now inserting audio. How can we insert audio into our slides? So right now one audio is already there, so I'm going to delete it and I'm going to get my audio here. Okay, right, so this is audio. I'm going to delete. I'm going to get audio here. So let me go to Insert tab and I'm going to go to audio option, and here it is where from I do have to get my audio on my PC. If I have, I'm going to get it from my PC, or if I want, I can record my own audio and place it here. So I need a microphone for that. So right now I want to go and get my audio from the PC. So I'm going to choose this option. So I'm going to go to desktop. So desktop, I have already one audio. So I'm going to click and I'm going to insert. So I'll have audio here. So you can just play this audio. Alright children, so I'm going to pause it now. So this is how you can insert audio. Next is how you can insert video into your slides. The process is same. Already one video I have inserted. So what do you have to do is you have to go to insert. Now you have to go to video option. So once you click on video option, again you will have two things. It's going to ask you, do you want online video, means from internet, or you want video from your PC? The same procedure we have to do. We have to go to this video from my PC because this I have got from my PC. So find out where the video is, go to that location and get your video here on the screen. So I am going to click here and I'm going to play it for you once. Alright children, so this is how you can bring video here into your slide. Now next, very important, this is about action buttons. Children, action buttons, if we talk about, this is again in insert tab. So action buttons are built in button shapes that you can add to a presentation and set to link to another slide, play a sound, or perform some other action. You can also assign actions to clip art, pictures, or the text in smart art graphic. When one clicks or hovers the mouse pointer on the button, the selected action will occur. So let's see, we have already one this created hyperlink. If you want, I will delete it. I'm going to go to insert, click on insert. It is already there. So I have options here, shapes, go to shapes, and shapes down you have here action button. So pick up any action button, whichever you want. So I'm going to have it here on the screen, drag it and have it here. Now the box will appear. This dialog box says action setting. Do you want action to take place on mouse click or mouse over? So whatever you want, supposing mouse over. Action, you want to hyperlink to what? To another slide, whichever slide you want. So I'm going to go maybe to first slide. Okay, so that means once I click on this or my mouse pointer hovers on this, so then I'm going to go to first slide straight away. If you want sound, so you can go and just choose a sound also. So I'm going to use any sound, maybe a click, chime, or whatever, right? So I'm going to click on OK. Now how can I say this? I'm going to go to slideshow. So let me go to slideshow from beginning. All right, next, 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 next. Now mouse over. The moment I used my mouse over that action button, I just entered into my first slide. Thank you, Shamstars. Hope you understood the topic well. And that's all for today. If you have any doubt, you can drop your queries in the Google Classroom. So take care. God bless you.